last day in the dorm room, and when you search up like Indiana University dorm room tour, like all the videos are super old and they're not very informative. So basically I'm doing a room tour, my dorm tour. It's my last day here, so I figured why not. I literally have not packed at all, so that's fun. But I live in Reed. I live in Reed Curry, D401. It's great. I'm gonna show you my room. I have to be quiet because I'm in the hallway. But you walk in and it's like this. It wasn't like this when we got here. We rearranged everything. And there's a bunch of like stuff that I'm gonna like move when I show you, but yes, this is it. There's also a bathroom. It's a half bath. There's people in there, but like, I have my towels up there, and Sydney's towel's my roommate. But there's people living over there. They're our suite mates. I love them. I'm living with them next year off campus. I'm gonna show you my side of the room mainly, but like a little bit of Sydney's side. I just don't want to like invade too much of her privacy. But I will show you our room and how we decided to decorate it and how we decided to like put our beds and stuff, because you can put your beds different ways, but this is how we decided to do it because of what's in here. And this is like a realistic one, like all of our stuff's everywhere. So I'm gonna show you what actually goes down in here. Okay, so you walk in, right? And then to your left, you have some door decor. These are our anime pyramids. The door also has just decor on it. This is my daily schedule. Yeah, but then you have your standard mirror. This comes with the dorm. We put our towels up there on a towel racky thing. We bought that here though. Ignore the door, it's like broken. This is Sydney's bed. She decided to put it right here. So this is where her bed is, her decor. She has like a thing next to her bed. We have like a little bit of space, and like her thing, it goes right there. She puts like her night stuff on it, and this is her desk and the things that she puts on her desk. She gets in KD. She's in a sorority. So hi, there's me in the mirror. Sydney brought this chair, and it actually turned out to be like one of the things we used most. So like if you know that you're living in a dorm that you can like have more furniture and bring extra furniture, because you will use it all the time. We use it all the time. Sorry. I don't know if it's messing up the audio, but whatever. And then if you go over here, this is a litter box because we have Bun. So this is our rabbit. He lives in the dorm. He is my rabbit. I'm taking him home. But underneath Buns is our dresser. So this is Sydney's dresser. This is my dresser over here. My guitar and the fridge kind of prevent me from pulling it all the way. But I can just move stuff. Or if I really wanted, I could just get in there and like really get something. But like I barely ever use it anyway. My project's on the floor, sorry. But Buns, I need to let him out. I'll do that after this. That's why he's like antsy. But it came with more shelving. We kind of just threw it up there. There's like trash up there that like, I need to take out. But like we use it for extra storage. We really don't use it that much because neither of us are really tall. I brought a stool slip back there, but we never use this area really. Sydney gave up her closet, and a lot of her clothes are actually under her bed. I'll show you my underbed storage, but like I won't show hers. But yeah, they came with this, and we really didn't know what to do with it, so we just kind of like shoved it. These are our closets. Sydney's stuff got kind of like taken up by the rabbits, so a lot of her clothes over there. Like I said, a lot of my clothes up there. We have like extra junk over there, and like my clothes are in the dresser. A lot of my clothes are dirty. I'll show you where I put my dirty clothes. But yeah, that's that side of the room. There's like more decor and stuff, but that's that side. Onto this side of the room. This side is my side, my desk and stuff. My bed was originally set up like right here, and my desk was next to Sydney's, but I didn't like it very much, so I put my desk over here in front of the window. I know it's kind of sad, and the TV, so we could both see it. Like, so now we could like both see it. So okay, so over here we have our kitchen. This is the fridge. This is the microwave. There's a Brita and a toaster. You're not allowed to have toasters, but we have one. That's like something I need to take out. This is my like thing that goes beside my bed, but I don't like it beside my bed. It's got like cleaning products and stuff, and like forks and like that. And it's got like my paintings on top of it. This is my desk. I won't show you much of it. I got like random stuff on it right now, like there's a ring light on, but got my hand, but like a book, like money, and like random trash. There's me again. Hi. And my paintings, my manga, like a clock for both of us. And then we have like paintings up there, which I never even like see them, like dusty flowers. And then the TV, which is really nice. We both watch TV together, which is like a really good bonding thing because me and Sydney didn't know each other prior to like moving into IU. So that was really neat. There's like junk in here, so I won't show that. Under my bed storage, having buns makes it like different because I have to like make things bunny proof. But I recommend, I just have like big totes. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a big tote. And there's 2 more over here. There's just big totes that I use for like my stuff. Like that's my shoes. This is my dirty laundry. As you can see, it's really full. And that's like my painting stuff. And then Buns' litter box goes over there. There's a lot of under the bed storage. I personally didn't like, I like my bed being on the ground and not lofted because I get nervous that I will not get out of bed all day because I will stay in bed because my bed's lofted. So yeah, I have my bed and the anime wall. So this is my decor. It's literally not even fitting on the thing. This is my dorm decor. This is what I decided to do with the room because I really love anime. So I mean, that's my like weeb wall and whatever. This is like above my bed. This is my happy wall, but it's like random stuff. But it's just like my bed. Like these covers literally like there's nothing like fun or interesting about it. It's just a bed. But like I have my backpack that I use for laundry that I need to take down. I recommend like a laundry backpack. Yeah, that's what it is. Because those things were really helpful. But like what else? Okay, I'm trying to think of like things that you need that are important for college. I don't know. A fan is really important because the dorms get so hot. These LED lights that I have going on have been like really nice, especially when we have people over. A good roommate, Sydney and I were like made for each other. It's been perfect having her around. A good like friend base, I guess, but like clothes, I don't know, you don't need everything. Like I literally lived in sweatshirts and like sweatpants and like never did laundry, and it's really bad, but like that's what I did. And do your schoolwork and go to your classes and have fun in college. And don't get a bunny. I swear to God, don't get a bunny. It's a good idea in the moment, and it's not a good idea. That rabbit's gonna live for 10 years. 10 years. He'll be at my wedding. But anyway, that's basically it. I hope this video finds you all well. Get a clock for y'all's room. Like, that was really important and cool that we did. And I don't know what else you need for your room. I don't know. It's a process. It's like really, Sydney and I literally were just saying that the room is finally how we want it to look, and I'm moving out tomorrow. So just take time, understand that it's like an experience and like it takes time, and you're gonna grow a lot more than you think you will. You're gonna think like, oh no, I'm not gonna grow, I'm not gonna change that much. And you're gonna change a whole lot. And understand that that's a growing experience, and like you're not alone, and like you're doing fine, and you're gonna get there, and you just should talk to people. And this is becoming a talk to myself, but anyways, that was my room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know, but yeah, peace out. Bye.